Welcome to this video on wizards. In this series exploring computer world terminologies and concepts, we'll dive into what a wizard is and how it simplifies complex processes. A wizard is a user interface tool that guides you through complicated tasks by breaking them down into simple, sequential steps. Think of it like having a helpful guide walk you through an entire process, one small piece at a time. A wizard is fundamentally a user interface design pattern that simplifies complexity. Its main purpose is to take complicated procedures and transform them into a series of manageable steps that users can follow in order. Rather than presenting everything at once, a wizard guides you through each necessary stage, making the entire process feel less overwhelming and much easier to complete. Wizards have 4 key characteristics that make them effective. First, they use sequential steps, breaking tasks into ordered stages that you follow one at a time. Second, they include a progress indicator showing you which step you're on and how much more remains. Third, they provide navigation controls like next, back, and finish buttons so you stay in control. Fourth, wizards validate your input at each step, checking that you've completed it correctly before allowing you to move forward. You'll encounter wizards in many everyday situations. Installation wizards guide you through software setup. Registration wizards help create new accounts with verification. Checkout wizards lead you through purchase flows during online shopping. Onboarding wizards introduce new users to an application. Form wizards break long questionnaires into manageable sections. Configuration wizards help adjust settings and preferences. These are just some examples where wizards make complex processes accessible. When designing a wizard, follow these best practices. Keep the wizard between 3 and 8 steps. Too short and it feels unnecessary. Too long and users abandon it. Use clear navigation with next, back, and finish buttons placed consistently. Validate each step immediately and show clear error messages if something's wrong. Most importantly, focus on one main decision or task per step. Don't overwhelm users with multiple choices on the same screen. Each step should feel simple and achievable. Wizards offer significant advantages. They achieve higher completion rates because users feel guided through the process. They reduce cognitive overload by breaking complexity into small pieces. They enable better data validation at each step, and they provide clear guidance so users rarely feel lost. However, wizards have some drawbacks. They take more time per user since information is delivered gradually. They're complex to implement properly. They require careful mobile optimization. And they do carry a higher abandonment risk if steps feel too long or boring. Understanding these trade-offs helps determine when a wizard is the right choice for your application.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.